and you see yourself fighting for your country, failure is not an option.
We are modern-day warriors. We hold our brothers and our nation's lives in our hands.
It makes a lot of people sleep better at night. They know we're out there clearing the rivers,